Hi, this is Michael Gailey with the Jason Whittle All-Pro Team RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, and we're excited to show you our new listing in the Villages at Shawnee Bend. This 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath lakefront home located at 381 Forestridge Lane sits on 1.46 acres, giving you plenty of natural buffer space. Some of the amazing features of this open floor plan home include main level living, tall ceilings, oversized doors, custom hickory cabinets, quartz countertops, stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, just to name a few. If you would like more information or to schedule your own private showing on this home or any of our homes, give us a call at 800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great new year.